Okay. Okay. Mr. Leal, you got a question, Mr. Leal?
Yes, ma'am. There was no one to confer with at the break room.
Oh, oh, right, go,
Six.
okay, Mia, go back to 6.
Okay.
Mr. Leal, go to 6. You have to put yourself back in 6. Use the 3 dots there next to your name or something. Can you do that or? Oh, there he goes. Okay, very good. Good morning, Ms. Davilos. I don't have you on my docket this morning. Which case are you here for?
Michael Santos.
Michael Santos, is it,
Unless he bonded out.
it must be a bond case.
Let me see.
Santos.
It's a bond hearing at 9.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's for a bond hearing. We're still on the regular docket, Ms. Davilos, if you want to just,
Can I
Turn off
talk
your
to him in a breakout room?
no, not for the bonds, only for the regular docket. We do all that. For the bonds, it's just a bond. You just have to be patient. We're still on the regular docket. Where we haven't got to the bonds yet. We're doing a regular plea docket right now.
Thank you.
And those rooms are gonna be used to get all these pleas done. So you're gonna have to just put yourself on mute and just wait until we get to the bonds, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Abe?
Okay, I talked to the guy and he says he's not Jose Ramirez.
Okay.
He had a passport when he got arrested under the name Alvaro Morales Gayona. He doesn't know why he's being brought here as a Jose Ramirez. So
Okay.
we have to straighten that out in court.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and send this case back to
County Court.
yeah, send this back to 7 not ready, and then the other
Okay.
one, he's in the hospital. I'll move it to November the 5th. So I guess I'll see you next time, Abe, okay?
All right, thank you. Talk to
Thank
you
you,
later.
Abe. Bye. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Mr. Leal, you got your offer?
Yes, ma'am. And I believe I signed those documents, but could you verify that?
Yeah, let me check where those documents are. Let's see. Well, Mr. Leal, it says it's still at your computer, so
Okay.
I'm sending you the reminder now to get that paperwork done. As soon as you get that paperwork done, I'll put you, are you ready to talk to your client?
Right.
Okay, let me see where he's at. Let me see if I can put him in a room.
May I sent the supplement to the MTR? And tonight I made you an approver because I believe it needs to be filed.
Okay,
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna need to send Terry a copy for Judge Terry.
Hold on one second, guys.
Okay.
Let's see, where are we? Rafael Leal, I'm moving you to room 3 to talk to your client, okay? There you go. Okay, what's going on?
Oh, I just signed the supplemental, so I guess it's on whoever's next to be approved, and then you'll just need to get a copy to Judge.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I'm gonna email you a copy, Terry, for Judge.
Okay. Okay,
Because this is what they're gonna go on that MTR.
okay, very good.
And you can print it for Judge.
Yeah, I'll wait for that and print that for him.
It's on its way now, Terry.
Okay. Mr. Arnett, are you ready for Burks?
No, I'm trying to get him to get the paperwork up on his screen. I don't know if there's just a miscommunication or what, but if you could let a deputy know to get over there, get the paperwork up for him. I came in
Okay.
late because that was on me. I didn't realize I didn't have it
Okay.
ready, but it's ready on
Okay.
my end.
Okay, move
Oh.
move yourself back to 2, Ryan, and I'll put your client back in 2.
All right.
Mia and Amir.
Yes, ma'am.
I think we
Yes.
ran into a problem if y'all want to go to 6. I'm gonna send you to 6, Amir.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign some paperwork? You put your name in there? Yeah. You did? Oh, come on over again.
Okay, I got paperwork on Anderson, so we're ready for where's Amir? Is Amir here? They went back to a room to talk. Okay. Mr. DeCoste, did you have a question or anything? Are you ready?
Yes. So I talked to him, and this is kind of
Okay.
an interesting case I have to speak to the state about. Probably not going to plead today.
Okay. You want me to send this back to the court, or do you want to reset here in jail court?
Probably send back to the court. I don't know that the prosecutor here is authorized to dismiss cases or not.
Oh, I'm not too sure. Do you want to talk to the state before you leave today?
That'd be great. Just to
Okay,
touch
let me-
base.
Okay, let me move you to room 6. That's where she's at.
All right, thank you.
Amir, are we ready on that MTR now?
If you would, we need to go before the judge. State's going to withdraw the MTR and terminate him on SAT.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm preparing the paperwork, Terry.
Okay.
We're not able to amend or supplement because this case is expired. So if Sinai can just disregard that paperwork that was submitted.
Why do you
And
need to
I
go
just-
before the judge?
Oh, we just need to communicate what's going to happen, Judge.
I don't give a damn what's happening as long as I'm not going to have to rule on it.
Okay. We
Yeah,
just
I mean, it's just
inform you,
with-
Judge. Not
Alex,
we weren't
Alex,
asking
just give me
you
the
to.
withdrawal and I'll sign it.
Okay, Judge. Then am I excused, Your Honor?
Yeah, Alex, it's all good. You're just going to give me the withdrawal, or the state is?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm preparing the motion to withdraw. It'll go to yourself and.
You are
it'll go
good,
to-
Amir. It's good
Okay.
seeing you, brother.
I'll
Thank you,
prepare
sir.
everything.
Teresa, can I talk to my client real quick and inform him of what's going on?
I think he should be still in one. I'll move you to one. There you
Yes,
go.
ma'am. Thank you. You all have a good
Mia,
day.
would you-
Thank you very much.
You too.
Bye.
Thank you, Amir. Thank you, Amir.
Terry, are
Mia,
there any
go-
more? Terry, are there any more that we're not doing?
Yeah.
you
Mia,
give me
move
that?
yourself up to 6, Mia. Yes, Judge, on the first page, Antonio Dominguez, he's in the
Yep.
hospital, Judge. That's reset 1 week.
Okay,
The next one down, Espinosa, Marie, bonded out.
Okay.
Alrighty, go to page 4, Judge. Lopez, Julissa Rodriguez, that's reset for tomorrow, Judge.
okay,
Alrighty, and last page, Judge, page 6. Jose Ramirez, the first case was dismissed, the state's not ready on that one, so that one's going back.
so
All I
page
got for
5
you,
and
Judge.
6 are gone, because
Yes,
5
sir.
is the mirrors, okay,
Yeah, right.
okay.
Yeah,
So we just waiting on the interpreter, or what are we doing?
hold on, Leonard. You said Padillas in one? Okay, yeah. Oh, the attorney, that attorney is conferring with the state right now. Just give him a moment. Yeah, yes, Judge, what was your question, Judge? Are we ready? Yeah, we're
We're
all,
just
I mean,
waiting on the interpreter, is that what we're doing now?
interpreters and then waiting for these people to finish, because I know for sure Leal needs an interpreter and so does Dakotes.
Yeah, it
needs
looks
an
like everybody
interpreter.
does. Everybody that's on the docket needs one, it looks like.
Yeah, I'm calling for the interpreter.
Attention voting 3 is off, vote for use is now off. Online inventory needs to be completed at this time, so again, all online inventory needs to be completed at this time.
All right, Mr. Dakote, you need to speak to your client?
Sure, briefly is fine, and then I'm gonna get out of your way. Thank you.
Okay, so we're not going to take care of this case today?
Right, they're gonna put in some notes that they're okay with PTD. I'm gonna hope that that goes through in regular court, wherever that is.
Okay, I'm going to put you in one to talk to your client and I'll send this case back. There you go, room 1.
Perfect. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Okay, you too, thank you. Sending that one, Judge, on page 3, send back
Got
no
it.
agreement, Judge.
Yep. So now all we have is Ryan Arnett and Rafael Leal, right?
Yeah, I guess so, yes, and Rafael
Yeah.
Leal for sure needs an interpreter. Here's the
I wish this
interpreter
was
here.
Friday. I wish this was
I know,
Friday.
I know, Judge. I
Hopefully
know,
we'll have the same luck for you on Friday, Judge.
yeah.
Hopefully. We better, because I'm leaving. I don't care. You guys can
Yeah.
stay without me. That's it. I'm out of here.
You turn into a pumpkin when it's time.
I get freaked out on these airplanes, because every time I leave, a lot of time I'm sitting around doing nothing. But then, like, sometimes, like, the line is so long, I'm freaking out. I can't make my flight.
Mhm. Yeah,
But I like to be just, prepared.
yeah, better to have enough time. You have pre-check? Morning.
I just saw Arlene up here. Where did she go?
She's here.
Judge. Good morning.
Oh, there she is. Okay, let
Yeah,
me
we-
get her. Let me get her going on her. There we go. There we go. All right, I should do it. Hey, Raphael, is that a Texas State sticker on the back of your car?
Yes.
Wow, you didn't go there, did you?
Where?
Texas State, no?
No. That's
What, you steal the car or something? No, because my boy's a freshman there. I was just wondering.
Oops, you caught me, George.
How you doing, my
Yeah,
friend?
hold on.
Excellent. How are you?
I'm all right, laddie. I'm all right.
Good to hear from you.
Yeah, good to hear from you.
All right, Rafael, what's going on with Limos?
All right. He was accused of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And I don't know what happened to that case. Perhaps it was lowered to a misdemeanor A, assault. Is that what?
I don't have the foggiest idea. Maybe Mia can help us out. I don't know. I mean, yeah, Mia.
Okay.
Mia, it was originally an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Was it lowered to
Let me
an
see.
assault?
This is,
Lemos.
let's see, when I run his SID or his SO, this is the only thing that comes up is the assault. So let me see if there's,
I can give you another case number, originally 2024 PF.
oh, okay, no, it was a felony reduction.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I was wondering. All right, then we're okay.
Oh, okay, so did you go over paperwork and do your paperwork? Mr.
Yes,
Leal?
I did, and I think I signed everything.
Okay, because okay, so he needs to sign because I sent you the reminder and you did your side, right?
Yeah,
You
I
see-
did my side. So
Okay,
he needs
so
to.
he needs to. Okay, move yourself back to 3 because the bailiffs won't go over the paperwork. You have to go back to, you know how to go back to 3?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and go back to 3. Okay, I'll let them tell them that Limos is back in 3. Okay, Judge, we're ready on Michael Burks for Mr. Arnett. Are you ready on Burks?
Yep, we're good to go.
All right, just tell the bailiffs to get Burks at the iPad.
All right, let me look at my hand. Good.
All right, this is cause number 738-379, State of Texas versus Michael Burks. Are you Michael Burks? Excuse me?
Sir.
All right, good morning, Michael Burks. Could you raise your right hand for me?
Raise your right hand.
Mr. Burks, raise your right hand.
The other one.
Your right hand.
Your right hand.
All right. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sir.
Thank you, Mr. Burks. You can lower your hand. Mr. Burks, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Mhm.
I can't hear you. Yes or no? Yes. Is it okay to go by video conference?
Sir.
Okay. You are charged with the offense of criminal trespass to private property. That is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Barrett County Jail. Do you understand? Am I the only one having a problem hearing this, gentleman?
No,
Judge,
Your
it's
Honor.
hard to hear him.
He's soft spoken.
All right, Michael, you got to speak up so I can hear you. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Sir.
Okay. All right, and do you understand the range of punishment?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's much better. All right, Mr. Burks, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. Mr. Burks, what that means is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Burks, your lawyer can call as many witnesses as he would like on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Burks, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Overtime is not concerning or featured Title 6226. I say again, in the criminal overtime is not concerning or featured Title 6226.
Sorry, Mr. Burks, I didn't hear what you said. Did you understand you have those rights?
Sir.
I can't hear him.
Yes, sir.
Okay, better. Just keep it like that, all right? And do you also understand that you do not have to give up those rights? Do you understand that? You do not have to give up your rights.
Yes, sir.
All right. But if you want to give them up, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Burks, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it? Mr. Burks, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it? I don't hear anything.
Michael, you got to speak up. You got to speak up for the judge so he can hear you.
Sir.
Mr. Burks, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand what's in these documents? Mr. Burks, do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
All right, great, because these documents tell me that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about. But this paperwork tells me that you want to give up your rights or waive them so that you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr. Burks, is that what you want to do?
Sir.
Yes, thank you. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Burks, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't, I'll allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you. Mr. Burks, I need you to listen up. The state's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
Okay, on cause number 2024 CC 738-379, $0 fine, court costs, 69 days in the Bear County Jail with credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. And we ask that this judgment be satisfied. We'd also like to take into consideration cause number 2024 CC 738781, which is also a criminal trespass.
All right, Ryan Arnett, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Burks, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, great. Ryan, does Mr. Burks have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Michael Burks, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir. I'm a citizen.
All right, thank you. I'm sorry. There's that damn thing behind you. All right, Mr. Burks, please tell me how you plead to the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass to private property. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
All right, has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead guilty, Mr. Burks?
Sir.
All right, you're doing so freely and voluntarily, yes? Yes, Mr. Burks, that's what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with, then I will accept your plea. Upon that plea of guilt, I find you guilty of the offense criminal trespass private property, a Class B misdemeanor. I assess punishment at $0 fine to cost the court. Was it 69 days, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
69 days in the Bear County Jail. Fine, and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means your judgment is satisfied by the time that you already served. I will also take into consideration and dismiss C 738-781, another misdemeanor case. This was a plea bargain, Mr. Burks. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Burks, any questions?
No, sir.
All right, good luck to you, sir. Take care of yourself.
And
You are done.
Judge, just to add, his paperwork was filled out with no contest, but he was explained that it does have the same legal meaning as guilty, so he does understand what that guilty plea means, but in the
Okay.
paperwork, it's no contest.
All right, the clerk will change it because he pled guilty. Okay, fair enough.
Yeah, yeah, he understands what that means, so that's fine.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, Ryan.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
A little busy.
Still waiting for Rafael Leal, Judge. He's still trying to get his paperwork done, Judge. He's having a hard time, I guess, because he's doing it on his phone, but I told everybody from the bonds to get on.
I got misdemeanor ready, if you're ready.
Who's ready?
Misdemeanor bonds are ready.
Oh, misdemeanor bonds are ready? Okay, just waiting for the attorney. Okay, so let's see, Valverde, Alex, on Anderson, we withdrew the MTR and what do I put for my notes? I need to put something on the system.
You can put motion withdrawn and it's being terminated unsatisfactorily.
Terminated unsat. Okay. Okay,
Yes,
got
ma'am.
it. That's all I
Yes,
need to know.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Terry, on the regular plea docket, who are we scratching
Mhm.
off?
Okay, on page 1, Antonio Dominguez is in the hospital. That's reset for 1 week.
Okay.
Next one down, Espinosa bonded out.
Okay.
Page 3, no agreement. Page 4, reset for tomorrow.
Okay.
Page 5, we terminated unsat. Page 6, I have the first case dismissed already, but the second case, the state's not ready on that one. So we'll send that one back. And that's it. That's all
Thank
I
you
got.
so
I'm just
much.
waiting. Welcome. Just waiting for the attorneys of the day to log in, and here's Karen Corby, Judge. So we are ready for the misdemeanor bonds, Judge. I'm sorry, Judge, you're muted, Judge.
Can't we get Raphael's plea done first so we can get Angelique done?
We can, Judge. Let me go see where he.
Well, let's see where he, yeah.
All righty, Judge Lemos is ready, Judge. He's coming up to the camera.
I think we're ready.
Are we gonna do it there, not in the?
Yeah, right in the courtroom.
All right, it's cause number 738-411, State of Texas versus Rafael Lemos. Are you Rafael Lemos?
Hey.
All right, good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand, please? Right hand.
The other right hand.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Hey.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Lemos, is it okay with you that we do this plea by video conference?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. You are charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury. That is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Hey.
Mr. Lemos, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. And what that means, sir, is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer, Mr. Leal, can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, your attorney can call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Lemos, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Hey.
Do you also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights?
Uh-huh.
Yes or no, please?
Hey.
Great, but you can give them up if you want, and you do it by filling out this paperwork that I'll show to you right now, called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Lemos, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
No lo vi bien, pero nada más. Sí.
Te lo expliqué todo.
Sí.
Okay, great. Do you understand what's in these documents?
Sí.
Okay, good. Because these documents tell me, Mr. Lemos, that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about. But you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Is that what you would like to do, sir?
Sí.
Okay, great. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Lemos, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, is I don't have to go along with your agreement. However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand?
Sí.
All right, Mr. Lemos, do me a favor, sir. Listen up. The state of Texas is going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
$0 fine, court costs, 107 days in the Bexar County Jail with credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that this judgment be satisfied.
Rafael Leal, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lemos, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Sí.
Rafael, does your client, Mr. Lemos, have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Believe he does, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
He has.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
I believe he is.
All right, Mr. Rafael Lemos, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Pues no.
Do you understand, sir, that a plea on a case like this could have serious adverse effects upon your immigration status?
Sí.
All right, thank you, sir. Then tell me, Mr. Lemos, how you plead to the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Do you understand, sir, that I could still find you guilty based upon that plea? Mr. Lemos, has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead?
No.
You are doing so freely and voluntarily. Thank you, Mr. Lemos. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of assault causing bodily injury, a Class A misdemeanor. I assess punishment at 0 fine. The cost of court, 107 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, which means, Mr. Lemos, your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Lemos, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Lemos, do you have any questions, sir?
No.
All right, you take care of yourself. Stay well. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, Josh. Good to see you.
All right, Raphael, always a pleasure, lad. Take care.
You too. Bye-bye.